Issa is a spotted hyena. Hyenas like to hunt in groups, and their teeth and jaws are so strong and powerful that they can bite straight through bone.
Whoa there, Issa! It looks to me like you have a bad case of the hiccups. What brought this on? That really was quite funny. You must have laughed so much it gave you hiccups. And now you've got the giggles too. If Issa can stop laughing, then I'm sure that the hiccups will stop too.
Having hiccups can be a bit annoying, but they go away on their own after a little while.
That's right. Try and take a deep breath, Issa. Oh dear, that didn't work.
Boo! Sorry, Issa. Sometimes a shock helps to get rid of hiccups.
Well done, Robbo. I think that has done the trick. Do you feel better now, Issa?
Hippos love to spend time in the water, and they can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Hippos are also pretty enormous. The only other animal on land bigger than a hippo is an elephant.
Hi there, Bobo. What can we do for you? Your skin looks a little dry, and you seem to be scratching an awful lot. Don't worry, Bobo. Skin can often get dry in the heat and the sun. We can fix this easily. You just need a bit of pampering.
Dry skin can be treated with a little moisturising cream. It helps the skin go soft again.
That's true, Robbo, but we can use something even more fun to moisturise Bobo right outside the watering hole. Hippos love a mud bath. That's funny. We were expecting Tao the lion, but he isn't here. Goodness! There you are! We'd better take a look at you.
Lions are sometimes called the king of the jungle, although they actually live on the grasslands. They like to hunt at night and have such a loud roar that it can be heard for miles around.
Oh dear, Tao. Can you roar at all at the moment? Does your throat hurt? Maybe you have toothache. I'd better take a look inside your mouth. Open wide. Oh dear, Tao. You haven't been looking after your teeth at all, have you? I'm not surprised you have toothache. Oh dear, Tao. I think we have to take the rotten tooth out of your mouth before it gets any worse. Don't worry, I'll give you an injection so that it doesn't hurt. There, that should feel better now. But there's an easy way to make sure you don't have toothache again. Robbo, can we give Tao's teeth a good clean, please?
Brushing your teeth is super important. It helps to keep them strong and healthy.
What do we do with our teeth each day? We chomp and we chew and we eat our way through lots of lovely food, but our teeth should stay nice and clean. What would you do if your teeth were gone? You'd live What would the king of the jungle do if he had a roar, but the animals knew that he was living on cabbage stew? His tooth's not right, and Tao is very lucky. There's time to fix his bite. With a good clean and a polish, they'll be shiny and so bright. So brush, 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 brush twice a day. Nice and clean is the only way. Don't rush, 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 it's fair to say. Clean them well and your teeth will stay. Clean them well and your teeth will stay.
These are for you, Tao. Remember to brush at least twice a day so we don't have to remove any more teeth.
Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They are so big that they can't fly, but they have very powerful legs and they can run even faster than a zebra.
Hello, Oni. How can we help you today? I see. Your tummy is very big. Does it hurt? Did you have a big lunch? And was it a healthy lunch? Ah, I see. I think you have tummy ache. You need to make sure that you're eating healthy food, Oni. Isn't that right, Robbo?
Correct. Every day you need to eat lots of different foods, including fruit and vegetables, to stay healthy and have a happy tummy.
Make sure you eat plenty of healthy fruit and vegetables. Drink lots of water too, and I'm sure your tummy will start feeling better soon. Phooey!
Meerkats are very good at digging. They use their sharp claws to dig tunnels and hidey holes underground so they can stay cool and stay safe. They are also good at keeping an eye out for danger.
Hello, Jamila. How can we help you today? Oh dear! You seem to have trouble moving your head. Does your neck hurt? Have you been on lookout for too long? Just as I thought. Let's check you over. Can you move your head from side to side? And up and down? Well, I'm afraid someone else is going to have to be on lookout duty for a bit while your neck gets better. You've been doing the same thing over and over again for too long, and your neck muscles are all achy. Robbo, I think we're going to need a neck collar.
A neck collar will help keep your neck still. No more twisting until it is better.
There you go. That should feel better.
Zebras have a striped pattern on their bodies to help them camouflage in the grasslands. Camouflage is when an animal blends in with its background so it can't be seen easily.
Hello, Zane. I don't think you'll be able to camouflage very well today. You are black and pink. What happened? I see. You have sunburn. Did you spend too long in the sun?
Going outside in the sunshine is lovely, but we must remember to protect ourselves from sunlight by wearing a hat and putting on sun cream.
You look outside and it's a sunny day. You can't wait to go out and play. But just be careful when it gets too hot. You should get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Slip into the shade. Get out of the sun and sip some lemonade. Get out of the sun. Put on some sunblock.
time, Zane. Take a break in the shade and remember to protect yourself from the hot sun. Robbo, could we give Zane some sun protection, please? That's better. Take care in the sun, please, Zane. Who's next?
Lulu is an oxpecker bird. These birds are also known as tick birds because they like to eat the tiny insects that live on the backs of other animals.
Lulu, you seem to have damaged your wing. Does it hurt? You poor thing. At least you can still move it, so we know it's not broken. But I think it is sprained, so you will need to rest it so it can get better. Robbo, do we have a sling?
A sling is a folded piece of material that is used to hold an arm or wing still. The arm rests inside the sling so that it can heal properly.
Is that more comfortable, Lulu? Good. Remember to rest as much as you can.
Chimpanzees live in tropical forests and are excellent climbers. They are very clever. They can use rocks to crack open nuts and can even make umbrellas out of leaves. They also love to play and have fun.
Goodness me, Kwame. Are you sleepy? Are you sure? You're a bit wobbly. Watch out! You seem a little clumsy too. Did you get a good night's sleep last night? There, Kwame. I think you're overtired. Sometimes, when we're tired, we can be grumpy or get upset very easily. Robbo, can we have a tissue for Kwame, please?
If you've been playing all day and running round, then people say it's time for a rest. If you've been having some fun and laughing all the time in the sun, now here's what I suggest. There's a time to come away when your eyes are feeling heavy and your body's trying to say, here's a message that's for everyone. Sleep tight for a great tomorrow. Sleep tight, be kind to yourself. Good night. You can dream of adventures. You'll feel bright and ready for another day. Sleep tight.
It's really important to get enough sleep each night so you can play the next day. I think you need to go to bed a little earlier tonight. Don't you, Kwame? Sleep tight, Kwame.
Crocodiles have been around since the dinosaur times, and they are very good hunters and swimmers. They also have excellent night vision, which means they can see in the dark.
Now, Dalia, I hope you're going to behave yourself. No biting, please. What seems to be the problem today? Oh dear, you have a splinter. That should be quite easy to fix. I'm surprised a friend didn't pull it out for you.
Lots of other animals are scared of crocodiles. They are very strong predators with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Maybe they didn't realise you needed help.
Ah, yes. I see why you came to us, Dalia. Don't worry. We'll remove your splinter. Robbo, the tweezers, please.
Tweezers are used to grab hold of something small, like a splinter, so that you can pull it out easily.
Now, hold still for me, please, Dalia. You're being very brave. There you go, as good as new. Helping animals is what we're here for.
Come on, Dr. Poppy. I think we best be off to our next patient.
Rhinos are enormous. They are covered in thick skin as tough as a suit of armour, and even though they only eat plants, they can grow to the size of a large car.
Hello, Shaka. What seems to be the problem? Goodness, something is making you very itchy, isn't it? Let's have a look and see. Robbo, magnifying glass, please.
I'm afraid you have little insects called ticks on your skin, Shaka. They are on your back and behind your ears.
I know you can't reach back there to get the ticks, Shaka, but don't worry. I think I know someone who can help. Oh, Lulu! Could you come here, please? Shaka, meet Lulu. She needs to rest while her wing gets better. Lulu, meet Shaka. He could really use your help with a tick problem. Perfect! I think those two are going to be great friends.
When you're the best of friends, you don't need to be the same. In fact, it helps to blend all your differences together. Together you can reach higher or lower. Together you can move faster or slower. Togetherness makes you stronger and better. We're very different, but we do things together. When you're the best of friends, like Lulu and Shaka helping out, now it pays dividends. Being different is the key. When you're the best of friends.
Flamingos spend lots of time standing in water. They usually balance on one leg to stay warm, and they use their specially curved beaks to catch their favourite food, shrimp.
Hello, Uma. Ouch! Look at that nasty bump. Have you hurt your head? Oh dear, it sounds like you lost your balance and fell over. That bump looks sore. It's very important to look after your head. Let me check you over. Let me just have a quick look in your eyes. I'm checking to see how your eyes react to a bright light. That's good. You seem to be fine. I think we just need to help this bump go down. Robbo, can we have an ice pack, please?
An ice pack is a bag filled with ice that can help soothe bumps and bruises. The cold helps to take away the pain and shrinks the bump.
There you go, Uma. You'll be fine in no time. Just watch out for the wobbles in the future. Now, off to our next patient.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run at a speed of 70 miles per hour, which is as fast as a car on the motorway. And they can reach that top speed in just 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Asha. How can we help you? I think I can see the problem. Have you been out running today, Asha? I think you have been running so fast you've given yourself a blister on your paw. It will get better on its own with some rest, but I think we had better protect it with a plaster too.
Plasters can help our bodies to heal themselves. By covering the sore area, it protects it and keeps it clean so it gets better faster. Which plaster would you like, Asha? Red? Green? Blue? Yellow? Or orange?
Does that feel better? I would slow down a little though.